The moment you enter into debt, whether it's a loan or a credit card, you have one sure effect, that there will be interest be paid, and the amount of interest will reduce your income. So if you are earning 50,000 and your interest per month is 2,000, your income essentially has come down to 48,000. That's number one, which means you need to adjust your lifestyle from living on 50 to living on 48. There must be something that you prioritize with this debt, and there must be something that you deprioritize as a result of taking the debt. If you don't do that, then you will begin to experience the following problems. Number one, as money is eaten up by other commitments, you have less and less money, and you begin to pay the credit card debt at the minimal amount, which means you start carrying more of the debt into the following month, and perhaps throughout the year. So if for example, today you borrowed 5,000 bob from M-Shwari, and you keep recycling it every month, effectively you've borrowed 60,000 shillings. 5,000 carried out throughout every month earns an interest of, say, 500 bob. Every time every month it attracts 500 bob. 500 bob by 12 is not very little money. It's no longer very little money. Now, the other thing you'll experience as more of your money is eaten up is late payment. Now, late payment attracts penalty interest. So you have the normal interest, and then you have the penalty interest. If the amount of debt is growing, both the interest is growing and the penalty interest is growing, which means your income is getting more and more squeezed. So debt is a sure way to get out of order. And especially when you are not a good manager of your own affairs, then debt is a sure way to really destroy your infrastructure of thought.